Hey everybody, welcome to That's the Tea, kind of a kickoff of our channel for travel, Disney, technology, a little bit of everything. My name is Dustin, this is Katie.
Hi.
And we're going to start off by taking you to Avila, California, or Avila Beach, California, and we're checking into the Avila Village Inn, and we're staying a couple nights, and we're going to take you on a little bit of a town tour, a hotel tour, and even an exciting boat ride. So please like and subscribe. Comment on anything you choose, and hopefully come with us on all of our adventures. Thanks so much. So this is Woodstone Marketplace, which is located at the front of Avila Village Inn. And inside they have a restaurant. It's kind of a walk up and order. They do have a pizza oven. They make sandwiches. They have nightly specials. And you can buy, sundries and gifts and gift shop type of things, as well as drinks and potato chips and snacks. Now, one thing we did find out is they have 3 different types of gluten-free bread. White, wheat, which is odd, and rye. Rye is actually pretty good. But what they do on the gluten-free is they actually give you 2 of whatever you order, because there's an upcharge of the bread. So if you order a breakfast sandwich, you actually get 2, which is really, really fair. And they're actually really good. So if you ever stop in and you have a gluten allergy, feel free to come in here, ask for the gluten-free options, as they're quite tasty and very generous. Now, the Avila Village Inn doesn't actually have a pool, but they contract with Avila Bay Athletic Club, which is right there, and they do have a pool. Unfortunately, during COVID, they no longer allow guests to freely walk in, but you can purchase day passes, which I guess it's not really about COVID, it's more just about money at the moment. But unfortunately, that was a little bit of a letdown. No pool to swim in, but still was able to swim in the ocean. So that's a big fun thing. All right, so just about to head inside the Avila Village Inn here in Avila Beach, California. Located right about off the freeway, not as close to the beach as other hotels, so it's a little tucked back into the mountainside, which is great, but it's only about 2 or 3 minute drive to the beach. So just got checked in. We're gonna start walking around the lobby, see what we can see. Come with us. Second floor of the hotel, a little bit above the fireplace here, a little higher, and then we actually got ourselves a wine bar, TV, little couch and seating area, door to the elevator, and then this is where you'll come and find your microwave and any utensils you might need for any food you might be eating. I'm guessing during COVID that this is open and ready to serve guests, but not at the moment. All right, so now let's get to inside the room. Now we've seen some of the beginning of the hotel and the lobby and such. And here we have what's the name of the room again?
Grand Escape Suite.
Grand Escape Suite. So it's a little bit of the nicer rooms. so let's go in and take a look inside and see what we see. All right. It's a little dark on the entrance. And it appears it's a choose your own adventure game. 3 doors. Which door to open first? Because they all look so great. Let's start here on the left.
Is this door number 1?
This is door number 1.
Okay.
Door number 1 is... Oh, good. Door number 1 is the bathroom. Let's start here. Turn some lights on. My goodness. All right. So we have dual vanities, hers and probably hers, and I get to use this corner.
Hers and hers.
Hers and hers.
That sounds
which is
accurate.
phenomenal.
Yes.
And it looks like they got some pharmacopoeia soap. That sounds fancy enough to use. And we got the blue, which is calming tides. And we got the white, which is also calming tides.
Okay.
I like the blue.
I'm sensing a theme here.
I think so. Thunder closet, always happy to have a separate door for that. Lots of fun in there. Now,
A toilet.
I've never gone into door number 1 and had door number 1.1 or 1.5. So let's take a look. Oh, wow. Look at this. I like door number 1.5. So it looks like we got a little bit more of the
blue and the white.
fancy and the blue and the white. And a soak-in tub with a look-in window. That's an odd one. And a wonderful size shower with, look at this. This is how every person should be taking their shower. I cannot wait for this.
Seated? I'm not sure.
Seated, absolutely.
Okay.
One with your thoughts.
Okay.
Not worried about slipping.
Out this way?
Yes, please.
Okay.
We've explored door number 1 and door number 1.5.
Okay. So is this door number 2 and 3?
This is door number 2
Okay.
and 3. Let's see if there are perpetually
2 is there?
2.5.
Which one's 2?
This is 2.
2.
2's got to be good.
2.
Doesn't even have a thing.
2. Wow.
My gosh, look, it's a
Our
closet.
luggage.
Someone has magically put our luggage inside the closet.
How kind.
This is obviously an understated service by the hotel, so thank you very much. Room number 3.
3's my favorite number.
Ooh, look at this. Room number 3
Ooh, are there lights?
seems to
Our
have
lights.
been the best room. And of course, the ultimate surprise. Door number 3.5, which is yet another closet
Ooh.
with even more stuff inside.
I like how they put my luggage in this room. I guess
They suggesting I sleep in door number 2?
I guess so.
I'm not a fan of that.
Sorry.
All right. So we have a nice king-size bed, left side, right side tables.
These details on the lamps are so pretty.
They look like almost like you're staying in the Grand Californian or something.
Yes.
Very woodsy and from basically where we've been traveling today, which is amazing. And it's like we just have a very simple fireplace that we can switch on. Maybe.
Maybe.
Hopefully.
Let's
Oh,
see.
I heard a click. Click is a good sign.
Yep, I think so.
Oh, I see some fire. And I see some more fire. All right, the switch is working.
Right next to the Chase Lounge.
No. This is not just the Chase Lounge. This is the Paint Me Like One of Your French Girls Lounge, which this is my good side. So
Okay.
now that I'm in front of the fire, I'll have nice warm backside and my arm up, and we'll get to work.
All right,
It'll look
okay.
really nice. Let's take a look out on the patio. This is nice. How many rooms has their own patio?
Some.
Even better, how many rooms have their own hot tub right on the deck? Ooh, that looks nice and toasty.
That does.
And on, oh, I can feel the heat coming off that guy.
Pretty trees.
Pretty trees, and it looks like when it backs up to the trail on the property grounds.
Nice loud car.
Good thing we're kind of next to the freeway on the way in, but we probably won't hear any of that, especially after we turn on the hot tub. That's going to be a nice thing. But let's head back into the door number 3 bedroom. I love the
I'm
architecture.
gonna shut the
here.
door.
Yes, please. The lighting is nice. It's soft. It's not abrasive. Big fan, remote control fan, by the way. And how very pleasant of them to reuse the old tube television furniture. Way to save a penny.
Right. What are we supposed to put in here?
Yeah, you got me there.
I don't know. Okay.
But at least they gave us a nicer TV to put on top.
Right.
Let's head
I
back
like the
out.
controls for the AC.
Ooh,
Turn it up.
nice and cool. That
Got
would
it.
be handy. It's a little warm here in Avila Beach. It's about 72 when we got in, but a little muggy, so AC is preferred. And here is the living room attached. Looks like another television and bookcase where they also reuse the old television spot. Guessing that's for this fireplace. That's dual fireplaces, everybody.
Hey. Look at that. Caution. Fireplace and surrounding surfaces may be hot, even when not in use. Careful.
Sounds like a good warning. Look at that. We even got the living room version of Paint Me Like One.
Is this my good side?
Well, we can move that around.
Okay.
We got square feet to spare. So it looks like we got some nice seating space. The couch looks comfortable, and we have a living room sink. That's a good sign.
Little wet bar.
Little wet bar, ice, cups, and a fridge that somehow magically has drinks that we actually like in there.
Nice.
Completely unscripted. Looks like some extra storage, and I think that wraps us up about... Oh, here we go. This is good. So we have separate air conditioners for the living room and the bedroom. That's very, very good. I like that a lot.
Did you open the patio door on this side too?
How cool is that?
Two
Two
patio
doors. Onto
More people.
more people. Yakety yakking.
But still, there's the hot
They're
tub
having
again.
fun.
Yes.
All right. Well, this looks like a very nice room. I can't wait to get unpacked and settled. And we'll check in with you later when we go out and about. Thanks for coming to our room tour.
Thank you. Bye.